We're doing it again. We're bringing the Jeep Liberty to a car show. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, that's right. We're going to a car show and we're taking the Liberty. I mean, who takes a Liberty to a car show? I guess we do. Before we hit up the car show, we gotta go into God's house first. All right, let's do that. Hey, we're registered. We made it to the car show. Let's go check out some pretty rad cars. Well, we got another shout out to my dad because he put the lowering kit on this El Camino. Hey, look at, we match. Well, time to check out some trucks, and I believe I found my favorite. Yep, it's a Jeep. There's a pretty good looking square body here though too, so it's a tough vote. it'd be cool and be off-roaders, put the spare on the roof. Hey, we're back from the car show and we had a good time. We didn't place, wasn't expecting it, but there's a lot of other cool Jeeps. It was the biggest car show that they've had in 59 years. There was 142 cars or something like that at the Marigold Days car show. So it was cool to be a part of that. And next week, we're gonna get back in the garage. We got a wheeling event coming up. So we're gonna start wrenching again and get back in the garage and do some cool mods. Maybe on this Jeep, maybe on another Jeep, and you'll see more. Stay tuned and you'll see some cool mods on one of our projects. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.